We all know that a honeybee can deliver a painful sting, but they would prefer not to. In fact, for most bees in the colony, stinging results in death, so it's always a strategy of last resort. A honeybee's sting is a remarkable and complex structure. It contains a set of sharp, barbed lancets that can easily penetrate our skin, but don't readily come out. Together with a rigid stylet, they surround a hollow channel not unlike a hypodermic needle. A group of tiny muscles quickly drives the stinging structure deeper into the skin. At the same time, another organ called the venom pump actively pushes venom down the shaft and under the skin. The only reason honeybees would sting is to protect their home and their colony. The worker bees are the only ones who sting, and only when they feel their nest or their own life is in danger. They will usually buzz around your face to intimidate you at first. They will also release an odor that smells faintly like bananas. This scent is called an alarm pheromone, and it signals other members of the colony that there is potential danger nearby. Beekeepers typically use smoke to mask this odor communication. It helps to keep the colony calm while they open and work with a hive of bees. Not all honeybees sting. The male bees, called drones, are not equipped with stingers at all and have no role in colony defense. The main job of a queen bee is to lay the eggs that ensure her colony's future can continue. Because worker bees don't reproduce, their egg depositing structures have been modified for defense. Bee venom is produced in the venom gland and stored in the venom sac for ready use. This reservoir holds up to 300 micrograms of venom, but a stinging bee typically injects less than half of that. Bee venom is composed mainly of water and a number of proteins and enzymes that can cause significant reactions in humans and other animals. Our bodies react to the sudden presence of these compounds in the bee venom. Our immune system releases antibodies and chemicals called histamines to help break down and remove these foreign substances. This reaction causes immediate pain, redness, itching, and swelling. When the bee's stinger becomes embedded into skin, the bee usually pulls away, but leaves her stinger behind, still actively pumping bee venom from the attached sac for up to a minute, despite being disconnected from the bee's brain and central nervous system. Having left part of her abdomen with the stinger, the honeybee will not survive. You should remove a bee stinger as quickly as possible to minimize the amount of venom that is pumped into your skin. The safest way to remove a stinger is to scrape sideways. Trying to pull the stinger out without very fine forceps can inadvertently squeeze the venom sac, forcing the venom right into your tissue. Not every bee that stings will necessarily die. Given some time, a honeybee can actually work her stinger out of the skin and get away safely. But few people have the patience to allow her to get herself free. So the next time a bee buzzes past you, stay calm and don't swat at her. Just move away slowly and give her some space. She doesn't want to fight. She's got better things to do.